What types of bees are at Weaver Lake?
Importance of bees. They give us 1/3 of our food source. Bees get bad press because they are mistaken for hornets and wasps.
Some other pollinators are moths, butterflies, hummingbirds, flies, beetles, bees, and the wind.
Bee field trip. We learned at the field trip that bees do not sting as much as wasps and hornets. Bees collect honey for them for the winter and not for us.
Some native bees are the carpenter bee. They are important because they live in dead trees and wood to dig holes to lay eggs. Another is the mason bee. They are important because they pollinate a lot of plants in the morning.
Our investigation.
Procedure. First, we caught our bee. Next, we put it in a container and put it in the freezer overnight. Then we pinned it. Last, we identified it.
Results. We found that in Ms. Elg's class, there were 13 bumblebees, that's 87%, and 2 honeybees, which is 13%.
Out of all the 5th grade, we found 31 bumblebees, 20 honeybees, and 3 green metallics.
Threats to pollinators. One way bees die is because of loss of habitat, because then they do not have a home to live, so they can't make honey and they die. Another is because of mites. They suck the bees' blood and they die. The last one is pesticides. It's like a poison that goes on plants. And the bees suck the pesticides out and they cannot get home or they die.
Advocacy. People should plant alfalfa instead of using weed killers, and people should plant flowers that attract bees, like large leaf aster, bishop's cap, and Jacob's ladder.
Credits: Devin and Loyce. Pig Kids, Native Plant Wildlife Garden, Bumblebee.org, PollinatorPlant.org.